Good afternoon, everybody, dear learners. Learners, please come live and ask me questions, whatever you have. Okay, Pranab, good afternoon. Tripti Verma, good afternoon. So Tripti is asking in assignment 10 question in red frac column when we define feed basis, then on what basis the components are selected. In our question, it was already mentioned that component is acetone. Well, I have to open the assignment because I'm not sure exactly what you are asking. So let me refer to the assignment. As I understand, it's assignment 10. Okay. Let me go to assignment 10. Yeah. So I guess you are talking about part B. When we define feed basis, then what basis the components are selected. I really do not understand your question, Tripti, because feed basis. What do you mean by feed basis? If I refer to this one, say water and acetone, sorry, Tripti, I'm not able to understand your question properly. If you really can explain it properly. Yashant Kumar Thirunagari is asking the reaction rate is where R is in kilomole per meter cube per second, K is in second inverse as per above statement. The reaction rate basis is on the basis of volume and not on the basis of catalyst weight. Are you talking about which question you are talking about, Ishwant? Or you are making a statement? Yashwant, I'm not able to understand your question. You are making a statement, okay, fine. Yashwant, again asking week 8 answers are given on rate unit catalyst basis. Please check. Week 8, okay? To week 8. Huh. So, yeah, it is LHHW reactions. I have asked the question on rate given on rate unit catalyst basis. Your questions are not clear, Yashwant Tripti. Can you please ask the questions properly? Exactly what you want to know. As far as the statements given in the week assignments, they are very clear. And each and every assignment I have performed myself, got the answers, and then only I have written. So there is nothing wrong in them. Maybe one or two stray cases it may happen. Okay, Tripti is asking, sir, I want to ask if we are working on a practical problem and we have to ourselves define the components under feed basis, then how we select the component. In our assignment, a mixture of acetone, water, and EIPK is entering as a feed, and we have selected acetone as a component under feed basis. Okay, okay. So I believe we are working on a ternary mixture product, which is then fed into a 3-outlet flash tank operating here. Okay. Yes, Tripti, I'm trying to answer your question, but before that, I have to open my um system. Somehow, I'm not getting the license through. So I'm trying for last few minutes. Okay, Tripti, can you please tell me where exactly you find this phrase feed basis? Because I have opened my system. I have opened a rat frag unit, and I'm trying to find out where this feed basis stuff is there for you. Suppose if I take, say, water, then what is that? Acetone. And ethyl isopropyl ketone. Okay. So ketone, okay. Then we use NRTL and Unipack. So it is NRTL, Unipack. Okay. I'm sorry, Tripti, I'm not able to find out that phrase feed basis. So I'm trying to search it for a long time. Feed basis in a fractional column. I don't think I have taught this anytime because this is quite a unusual thing that I am facing as a question. I mean, the question was very straightforward. You have 50-50 weight percent mixture of water and acetone that is flowing inside, and with a stream of ethyl isopropyl ketone that is coming from another side. So they are getting mixed inside the column, and the ternary mixture product is being formed, and there will be a 3-outlet flash tank. Okay, and some product streams are coming out above 5 stage. Okay, at the stage 5, at the bottom, at the top, etc., etc. So if you go with the flow of the question, I believe we will be able to answer it. So I do not understand where you are stuck up with this feed basis, because it is never, it is, at least it is not asked in the question. Well, okay, so it is asked in the question, the feed of the feed basis is mixed feed that is fed into the column and the component is acetone. Okay, so, okay, it has been asked in the question, right? So I probably have thought of something while asking the question. So anyway, Tripti, you just write an email to me at p.sah@iitg.ac.in. I will solve this assignment once your assignment week is over and the solution is out. You can again tap me. I will solve this problem and then discuss with you one-to-one. Because I find this question feed, the feed of the feed basis is mixed feed that is fed into the column. So I might have thought of something in the question and given, but right now it has just gone out of my, I mean, I'm not able to place it exactly where I have done that simulation. Okay, I'll do the simulation once again, and I can answer your question, Tripti. Just tap me one-to-one at the email address that I have told you. Okay, and then Ifra Farhin is asking, feed basis option is available below boiler selection point in red frac column. Okay, I'll check. Tripti sir, where we define the red fraction like no stages, where we define the red frac specification like number of stages, condenser type, reboiler type. Okay. Yeah, free water reflux ratio. Okay, probably I have, this is very unusual. Actually, I thought that I will test some knowledge of yours. This feed basis we generally do not use, because generally we use this portion as the most volatile component among all of them. This is a standard procedure, but we do not use it very often. I just gave this portion as an extra information. That much I can say. Well, because I understand what you are saying now. It is in the operating specification in distillate rate where we specify the distillate rate reflux ratio and free water reflux ratio. Okay, so it is the default value is 0. Okay, now I understand what you are asking. Yeah, it is. It is by default. It is by default. It is the most volatile component among all of them. So in this case, it is acetone, water, and EIKP, or EIPK rather. So among these three, the most volatile is acetone. So by default, it will be. I have just added this extra sentence. I don't know why I have added, because that will be an extra information anyway. But okay, you can try this with something else also, and you can check what answer you get. Okay. Um, yes, Tripti, I'm sure you will be able to solve this question. Um, yeah, two new terms I have given as extra term, which perhaps I have not taught very explicitly. So actually, Tripti, whenever you find some extra terms, rather you may go and see the help file because as you understand, this Aspen Plus software is fast software. There are many terms and many uh, other things which probably will not be able to be covered within a span of 30 lectures. Okay, so it's not possible to cover everything. So some of the things might have been missed out in the lectures. So uh, it is always fruitful to, to to refer to the help file and gather extra knowledge whenever you can. So that is always beneficial. Yes, welcome, Tripti. In between, somebody like window of the future came and probably he or she has left. Good afternoon, window of the future, if you're still here. Okay, Tripti, do you have any more question? I don't think there is any other participants over here. So if there is no other question, we can wind up this session. Okay, NPTEL, I think we can wind up the session. There are not many participants over here. Okay.